ratio, sharing an amount, is what we're going to look at in this video. Okay, so there's three different styles of ratio questions that you're going to have to learn. So here's your example one. £480 is split between Joe, Michael and Phil in the ratio of 3 to 5 to 4. How much do each get? And this is the one that most people will know how to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Joe, Michael and Phil. And this £480, and this is how you start each question, is equal to so many parts. And you're always wanting to find out how big one part is. Now the 480 is split between all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these together. 3 and 5 is 8, add 4 is 12 parts. So one part will be divided by 12. So if I divide that by 12, I don't need a calculator to tell me that that is going to be 40. So each part is going to be 12. Well, Jack or Joe is 3, 5 and 4. So 3 lots of 40 is 120. 5 lots of 40 is 200. And 4 lots of 40 is 160. And that is how much each get. You could check your answer. So they should add up to your start amount of 480. So you know you're correct. Money is split between Alice, Dave and Carol in the ratio of 6 to 3 to 7. Alice gets £54. So here's how I'm going to start this. £54 is equal to, so I have Alice, David and Carol, and it's 6 to 3 to 7. Now the £54 just belongs to Alice, so that one is 6 parts. So one part divided by 6 divided by 6, so one part is 9. How much do each get? Well, I know this one is already 54. 3 times 9 is 27, and 7 times 9 is 63. The last one, money is shared, I should say shared, between Jerry and Mick in the ratio of 3 to 7. Mick gets £28 more than Jerry. How much do they each get? So Mick gets £28 more than Jerry. So there's the key word there, more than Jerry. So here is Jerry, there is Mick, more than. So to get how much more Mick gets than Jerry, you take away, 7 take away 3 is 4 parts. So one part would be £7 divided by 4 divided by 4. How much did they each get? I've got Jerry, I've got Mick, I've got 3, I've got 7. One part is 7, so that's going to be 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 7 is 49. So in summary, there are 3 different questions you can get asked here. The first one is where it's all of them. The second one is when it's going to be just one of them. And probably the most difficult to spot is where it's not all of them, it's not one of them, but it's the difference between one of them. Okay, here's some questions. Have a go, press pause, and the answers will follow in one moment. And there are your answers.